You know, we are in a very entrepreneurial age, even for employees who are working at a company from 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. I can't tell you how many people I know who have side jobs or do things outside of their normal work. So, with that in mind, I wanted to help you think about being open to new opportunities. And what do I mean by that? If you are ever asked to be on a panel, maybe participate in a workshop, blog, post videos, anything that gets you out there, do it. You have something to share, which a lot of people will want to learn. So go out there and share all of your resources, your information, whatever it is that you have. Why? Because from that experience, you can get perhaps contract work, you can be hired and given a better position, you can even be asked to be on a group, part of a group, or be on the board, whatever it is. You want to be open to those opportunities because that only enriches you as a professional. And when you're looking for a position, it helps you leverage that experience. So never be afraid to try something new and get out there and get out of your comfort zone. Until we see each other again, have a great day.